Happy Mother's Day to everyone, to those whose mom has passed, and for those who are blessed to have their mother with them today. A very happy Mother's Day to you, to those of you who are mothers, or to those of you who know of a great mother. Happy Mother's Day. You know, today is a great day because God has made it and created it, and we are able to partake in it. So I give God all the glory. I'm excited. I was able to go away this year. I bless God for it. A retreat. I am refreshed. I feel great. Though I've been crying about my mom, can't help it. I miss her. May she rest in peace. But I'd just like to take this time to tell everybody, enjoy your flowers. That being in deeds or words or things, smell them, savor them, cherish them. Cherish the people around you. Love on them. If you love on them, love will come back. And it's not good to be without love. So first of all, love yourself. Honor yourself, respect yourself, and you can celebrate you as you celebrate God and celebrate others on this day. I love you real hard. I'd also like to take this time out to extend to you an invitation to be with me on May 19th at 3 o'clock at the Beulah Bible Cathedral. I will be doing my initial sermon. Yay! Been all around the world shedding the good word, the good news, the gospel, trying to motivate people and encourage people to love themselves and to love others. So I'd just like to tell you to come on and share with me. I would love to see you there. I'd love to have you there. Be praying with me. And if you don't pray for me, pray for yourself. I love you guys real hard. Happy Mother's Day from Jeannie